Hello, I'm Tiffany, and welcome to this week's Skill of the Week. Today I'm going to be sharing the importance of defining the purpose when designing a workshop. Before we get into the purposes, I want to share my 2 guiding principles for facilitation. The first principle is that above all else, the role of a facilitator is to enable a group to collaborate. They do this by creating and preserving the space for them to do so. People's time and attention are valuable and limited, and meetings are expensive. Good facilitation ensures that the session is a valuable use of these resources. We all know the experience of sitting in a meeting that seemed to be going nowhere. Second, getting a good outcome is more important than following the plan. Things change, often without notice. Be mentally prepared for that possibility. You may have to throw out whole sections, or even completely rethink the whole workshop on the fly. This is where knowing the purpose and the desired outcome is critical. With that in mind, let's talk about purpose. To articulate the purpose, I generally start by trying to understand why we're trying to bring people together in the first place. Some prompting questions I ask myself. Why is this workshop happening? What kind of engagement is needed from the participants? What is the desired outcome? Here are some examples of common purposes. Blue sky thinking. We have an opportunity or idea and a keenness to expand our thinking as a group. Planning. We want to accomplish something and need to put some foundations in place and build some momentum. Problem understanding. Something has happened and it would be beneficial to get a variety of perspectives on the situation. Problem solving. We're comfortable we understand the situation and want to know how to move forward. Gathering input. You want to bring a topic to the group for feedback or suggestions and only want comments, not decisions. Make a decision. Something needs to be addressed and the goal is to bring it to closure. Reflection. We're at or past a milestone and there are learnings to uncover and capture. Thank you for watching this week's Skill of the Week on the importance of defining the purpose when designing a workshop.